The CarveWright woodworking system is the first of its kind. A compact, affordable machine that, coupled with an intuitive, easy-to-use software package, allows anyone to produce the masterpiece of their dreams. For experienced woodworkers, the CarveWright provides functionality and versatility that never existed in the workshop before. Amateur craftsmen will benefit from a number of standalone functions, accessible directly through the onboard computer. Functions such as cross-cutting, edge routing, jointing, and mitering can now be accomplished with a touch of a button. The innovations of the CarveWright system do not stop there. For the first time in history, three-dimensional shapes and carvings can now be created without the use of complex CAD packages. The CarveWright software, which is included with the machine, is a powerful software package that is based upon a simple point-and-click clip art concept. Start by telling the machine what size board you want, and the software will display a 3D representation of your workpiece. Then, choosing any carving element out of one of the libraries of three-dimensional objects, click the object and place it onto the board. From here, you can scale the element, stretch it, mirror it, rotate it, and even merge multiple elements together to create your own unique composition. You can also create regions on the workpiece within which you can add textures and/or surfaces. All of this can be done from the convenience of your home computer. When the project has been completed on your computer, simply plug the CarveWright card reader into your USB port and save the project onto the CarveWright memory card. Both objects are included with the CarveWright system, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. Once your project is saved onto the memory card, insert the card into the CarveWright machine and select your project using the keypad and LCD. The CarveWright machine is itself a computer, eliminating the need for any additional computer equipment in the workshop. The machine works much like a printer, using a traction drive to feed the board in and out. This allows you to use almost any length of board. The machine will adjust up to a 14.5-inch width and has a 5-inch depth capacity. Inside the head of the CarveWright, the machine moves up and down and side to side. These motions, coupled with the feed-through base, allow the CarveWright to carve even your most complicated projects. To begin, place your workpiece on the traction drive. Press it tightly against the squaring plate, engage, lock the head, and slide the squaring plate over. The head has a clutch built in to avoid overload. After the workpiece is fitted and your project is selected, CarveWright will measure the board. If the board is too small or too large, you will be prompted to change the board, cut the board to size, or scale the project to fit the workpiece. Next, you will be prompted to insert the correct bit. The system utilizes bit adapters that work on both our 1/4 and 1/2-inch bits. Simply insert the bit into the machine and snap it into place. The machine will find the tip of the bit, then touch the surface of the board so it knows exactly where its cutting surface is. After that, the CarveWright begins carving your project. For more complicated projects, you may need to do multiple bit changes. To do this, simply use the bit remover to pop the bit out of place. Then pop the new one in when the CarveWright prompts you to. Then sit back and watch your masterpiece take shape. The CarveWright woodworking system, the technology for taking your ideas from imagination to reality. CarveWright, woodworking for the 21st century.